how to add a custom domain in Vercel. So your app is deployed, but that usual URL, the default one, doesn't say professional. So Vercel has made connecting a custom domain incredibly fast with automatic SSL and global edge network propagation. So let me walk you through the setup. So start by logging in to your Vercel dashboard and then select the project you want to brand, and at the top of the page you go to Settings. In the left-hand sidebar, navigate to Domains. This is your command center for routing your traffic. Click on the Add button, so add a domain as said here. Type in your domain name and Vercel will immediately ask if you want to add the www version and redirect it to the naked domain. I highly recommend saying yes to this. It ensures your users find you no matter what they type into their browser. Click Add to move to the Configuration step. And now Vercel will show you exactly what to change in your domain provider, like for example GoDaddy or Namecheap. Then head over to your registrar's DNS settings and swap those old records for the new Vercel ones. So in my case, I go to, for example, Domains, I go to the Settings, and in here I have all the data, change DNS records. And the best part of Vercel is the speed. Most DNS updates happen in under 5 minutes. Open your custom URL in a new tab. If you see your site and the little lock icon in the address bar, you are officially in business. Just click on Save and your production app is live. And this is how you launch your Vercel projects. If this Vercel domain guide helped you guys, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated.